Welcome to the Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into ControlNet and guided generation. We will explore how to gain precise control over your image outputs using techniques that condition image generation with additional inputs. If you have ever used text-to-image tools, you know the struggle. You type a prompt like a cat on a chair, but the results are random. You cannot easily specify the exact pose of the cat or the shape of the chair. It is often a roll of the dice. This is where ControlNet comes in. It is a neural network structure that adds spatial conditioning to the generation process. In simple terms, it lets you lock the composition and structure of an image, while the AI fills in the colors, textures, and details. ControlNet works by creating a trainable copy of the neural network weights. It keeps the original model locked to preserve its knowledge, while the copy learns the new conditions, like outlines or depth. These two are connected, allowing the control signal to guide the final image. One of the most popular control types is Canny Edge. Think of this like a coloring book. You provide an image, the system detects its outlines, and then generates a new image that fits perfectly inside those lines. It is great for restyling existing photos. Next, we have depth maps. These use a grayscale image to understand distance. Lighter areas are closer, and darker areas are further away. This is perfect for maintaining the three-dimensional structure of a scene without being too rigid about the exact lines. For characters, OpenPose is a game changer. It detects human skeletons, where the elbows, knees, and head are. You can take a pose from a real photo and apply it to an anime character, a 3D render, or an oil painting with perfect accuracy. Have you ever wanted to turn a napkin sketch into art? The Scribble model does exactly that. It takes rough, hand-drawn lines and interprets them into a fully detailed, photorealistic, or stylized image. It is incredibly powerful for designers and artists. For complex scenes, we use semantic segmentation. Here, you color code different areas. For example, blue means sky, green means grass, and red means building. The AI then fills those specific areas with the correct textures and objects. To summarize, ControlNet transforms generative AI from a random toy into a professional tool. It gives you precision, consistency, and artistic freedom, allowing you to integrate AI seamlessly into professional creative workflows.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.